Stay safe on high-voltage vehicles with the SP Tools VDE electric vehicle service module. This complete 46-piece professional kit includes fully VDE insulated tools, tested to 1,000 alternating current and 1,500 direct, housed in a heavy-duty 2-drawer diagnostic trolley with premium EVA foam organization. You get VDE sockets, wrenches, hex keys, screwdrivers, pliers, cutters, plus a premium automotive digital multimeter and digital insulation tester. The SP55955 has everything you need for safe EV and hybrid service. Built with premium Chrome Vanadium steel, ergonomic grips, and a mobile workstation that locks and rolls smoothly. Essential protection for modern workshops working on electric vehicles. For a complete list of included tools, visit sptoolsusa.com. Success is built with SP Tools.